fake keychain. Hey friends, so today is February 3, 10:58 a.m. Nakapantulog na ako, kakatapos ko lang mag-work, but na-stuck na kasi yung mga parcel ko. Ang funny kasi in a day naka-receive ako ng 5 parcel. Hindi ko naman din na-expect, pero kasi sa app na pinag-orderan ko, the usual, the TikTok shop, ang bilis nila mag-deliver. So, let's unbox all of this together. First natin, ito yung sleeping mask. Nalaga yan. Kasi ito lang yung laman. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito lang. Ito lang. Yung lagayan. Laki. I guess ito yung eSIM. Yes. Hindi ko pa alam siya kung paano gamitin guys. But I'm just interested. Kaya ako nag-check out nito. eSIM. Kasi gusto ko na magtipid sa kasi nangihinayang ako. Hindi naman ako laging lumalabas. And then, most of the time, sa bahay lang ako kahit kasi hybrid setup, 2 days lang ako sa office. Nangihinayang ako, lagi ako nag-load ng 100 pesos for a week lang. So, naubos lang. Na-expire siya, hindi ko siya naubos. So, I've decided to bought eSIM. Ang hirap na. This one. Ito. Ang liliit, diba? Ang liliit ng purchase ko. Pero, ang lalaki ng lagayan. Ito, alam ko to. Sampayas. Sabitan. Sabitan ng mga sandok namin. Yes, I'm right. Correct. Ito ang sabitan ng mga sandok. This is how it feels like kapag may nangungupahan ka na. Mostly, mga gamit na sa bahay, check out. Medyas ata ito. Medyas. Pero guys, mali kasi ako ng check out. Dapat mid-sack yung bibilin. Kasi low cut to. Diba kasi nagbabalik na ako pa unti-unti sa running. Yung mga medyas ko before, lumuwag na kasi sinuot ni Manuel. So, ayan low cut kasi siya. But I will still try it kapag nagustuhan ko go. Pero pag hindi, ibigay ko na lang din sa kanya. This is how it looks like. Makapal kasi yung tela nito guys. Kaya ito ulit yung binili ko. 3 pairs siya for only 149. 4 pairs pala. 4 pairs. What's this? Alam mo, grabe yung budol ko sa online ngayon. Ito, ano siya? Sabi kasi, yung foil, sabi napanood ko lang, kapag dito mo daw, ziplock siya, pero foil. Sabi, kapag ito daw ang gagamitin mo, kapag ito daw gagamitin mo is parang matatagal yung life span ng mga fruits, ng vegetables. So, kasi like kami nasisiraan ng fruits or kaya ng vegetables. So, why not? I-try natin, di ba? Wala namang mawawala. Yes, so 1, 2. Wow, 8 pieces kami. 8 pieces for only 59 lang ata to guys. Na pili ko. And then last but not the least, ito yung, of course, damit. Pampasok. Kasi I feel like yung mga damit ko hindi siya pang office. So, I purchased another one. I mean, 3. Oh. Wow, ang ganda. So, this one. this one, and then this one. So these are the three clothes. Maganda yung quality niya guys For only 100 pesos or 98. Basta hindi siya abot ng 98. So, ayun lang. Ang tagal niyang na-stock dyan. Parang for almost a week ata. Hindi ko siya na-open. At naipon na siya. Ito lang. Ito lang lahat yung na-purchase ko. Hey friends, this is the next day na. I'm just eating my breakfast or lunch, should I say. Kasi kakagising ko lang kasi night shift ako. So, sabihin natin breakfast ko siya. I'm just watching my favorite rice vlog. I'm just watching while eating. I'm eating alone kasi kumain na kanina si Eman. Uwi lang niya to galing daw sa school. Nabigyan pa ako ng free food. But yeah, after this, I'll take a bath na and then I'll go to work kasi on-site ako tonight.
Itong baby tea Uniqlo. Ang ganda niya pala. It's like the perfect everyday baby tea. Hindi siya as fitted as Skims. Pero if I just want something casual, loungy vibe na shirt.
Hey friends! Today is February 5th. Today is Thursday. It's 10:11 p.m. Yes, naka-running attire tayo. But, kakatapos ko lang mag-run. Nag-quick run lang ako tonight sa sports center kasi medyo maganda yung schedule ko. So, I've decided na at least twice or thrice a week makakapag-run ako and nasisimulan natin siya. Hoping makontinue natin. But, the main point of this video is I want to share with you what I got. So, I purchased at Irene Craft. Basta hindi ko alam. Post ko na lang siya dito. That is my teammates, small business. About like sa, memories, specifically keychain, yung mga ginagawa niya. So, since my tatay and lola already passed away, I've decided na magpagawa ng keychain. But the good thing here is that she gave me freebies. Honestly, I don't know where to use it, but when I open it, ang dami guys. Ang cute pa ng mga design. This is how it looks like. Don't know if nakikita niyo siya. Pero if you were to open it, ganyan, meron siyang magnet. Di ko alam kung paano siya gamitin, pero nung tinry ko siya, parang ganyan. Para bang, kikilip ba siya? Di ko alam kung siya gamitin, pero i-figure out natin siya. Pero maganda siya, guys. And this is what we purchased. This is a keychain. Look guys, sobrang ganda ng quality. This is only 139 pesos for two with a Polaroid picture. So for this one, this is my lola and tatay. And then this is my tatay. Na-surprise ko kasi meron siyang free na photo. As far as I know, wala. Based dun sa picture. But I love it. I appreciate it. And for the, ito yung sa akin. Lalagay ko lang siya sa, it's either sa wallet ko or basta sa lagi kong bitbit. And I will be giving this to my mother para at least kasama niya pa rin si tatay. But yeah, I just wanted to share kasi ang cute niya. I hope, if you're interested, you can message her Facebook, her Instagram or Facebook page. I will be posting that here. So, ayun lang, nag-quick video lang ako and I promise to myself talaga na moving forward, or starting February, we'll be getting back on track, slowly magbabalik tayo sa running and more of like physical activity since I gained weight. I know there are so many things happen in my life lately, but you know, it doesn't mean na magpapakalugmok lang tayo or something what. But of course, we also need to recover, especially for myself. We also need to take care of ourselves kahit na may upcoming surgery pa tayo na na-stop na. But yeah, I guess this is all for this video. I will be, adding some clips what happened sa week natin because I have a lot of activities to do this week, which is I am very, very happy and excited to share that with you guys. See you there. Hey friends, so wala na akong napasok na outro, but I guess ito na lang yung outro natin. I hope you guys enjoyed our weekly vlog. And also, I just want to share that I enjoyed playing pickleball, especially sa community namin, girls and LGBTQAI++ ang nasa community. And yeah, I guess that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!